All right, so this is going to be OKANA room 537, which is going to be a King Bunk Lagoon view suite. So we've got the door here. As you first come in, you turn to the left, we have a very deep bathtub, actually, with Mother Earth. It looks like shampoo, conditioner, and body wash. Pretty decent faucet there. All looks brand new. Of course, the commode, plenty of towels, and a full-length mirror on the door. To the right is going to be some hangers and luggage rack and some storage space up here. Looks like we're going to have a handheld steamer, a safe. We have some drawers here available for some storage. Then the sink is actually going to be out here in the hallway with some hand and body wash and some body lotion there. Peppermint sage. But that's going to be amazing. Some towels, trash can. To the left, we have bunk beds. Look at this. These look ridiculously comfortable. Very nice. Power outlets up here, so if your kids need to plug in any devices, or if you've got night lights or any sound machines that need to plug in, there's actually a ton of outlets in this room. Very nice. Moving on out over here, we have a refrigerator. I don't think it's a mini bar. I think it's it's an actual refrigerator. So you can bring drinks and things in here, keep them cool. We do have some coffee, though I don't see coffee pods. I don't also know if this Life Water is included with the room, so we'll have to find out. Here are the coffee pods. It's Cafe Valet. There's 2 regular and 1 decaf with some creamer in there as well. Little storage area there. Nice little bench area. This lamp is pretty awesome. Check this out. It actually has wireless charging. So if you want to just set your phone there, you'll be able to charge your phone. And there are some outlets on the front there as well. We do have a chair, gigantic television facing this beautiful king bed. I mean, I don't know what I was expecting from this room, but this room is absolutely gorgeous. Over here, USB and some power outlets under there. We've got a telephone there next to the end table. Let's come over here and see what we've got. We have an alarm clock over here. And again, some power outlets with USB there. And then we've got a couch with a couple of tables in front of it. Some extra bedding. You know what? Yeah, I'm pretty sure this is a pull-out sofa, which is pretty cool. Air conditioner. Trash can. We have a drawer here, and then look at that view of the 4th largest swimming pool in America. All right, again, this is going to be the OKANA King Bunk Suite. Absolutely gorgeous room. If you are planning to stay here and you've got a family of 4, 2 kids and 2 adults, this is going to be absolutely perfect for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you like and subscribe. Follow all of our adventures here at OKANA. Until next time, we'll see you.